Kate Middleton, the Princess of Wales, has once again found herself at the center of royal speculation, and this time it's all about what was missing. On January 8th, Kate appeared alongside her husband, William, the Prince of Wales, during a visit to London's Charing Cross Hospital. Dressed in a sleek burgundy pantsuit with a matching blouse, Kate looked composed and confident, but eagle-eyed royal watchers quickly noticed something unusual. Her iconic 12-carat sapphire engagement ring was nowhere to be seen. While Kate did wear her gold Welsh wedding band, skipping the sapphire immediately set off alarm bells online. The timing couldn't have been more sensitive. For weeks, rumors of marital strain between Kate and William have been quietly resurfacing, and this ringless appearance only added fuel to the fire, according to social media chatter and royal observers. The moment drew instant comparisons to a recent political headline. In November, Usha Vance, the second lady of the United States and wife of Vice President J.D. Vance, was photographed without her wedding ring during a Marine Corps base visit alongside Melania Trump. That appearance sparked intense divorce speculation, prompting Usha Vance to issue a statement to People magazine through a spokesperson, explaining that she sometimes forgets her ring amid the demands of motherhood. Kate Middleton, however, has offered no such clarification. Multiple outlets suggested the Princess of Wales may have skipped her engagement ring for sanitary reasons while visiting a healthcare facility. On the surface, that explanation seemed reasonable, but as Town and Country pointed out, Kate previously wore her engagement ring during a hospital visit to Colchester Hospital in July 2025, raising fresh questions about why this visit was different. Adding to the intrigue, this ringless appearance came just days after another round of divorce speculation erupted online. On January 6th, a video posted to X showed Prince George and Princess Charlotte arriving at Kensington Palace by helicopter. Prince William was seen greeting the children and carrying their bags, but Kate was noticeably absent. Some users interpreted the clip as evidence that the royal couple may be living separately. One viral post accompanying the video claimed it was obvious that William and Kate were separated, suggesting the children now shuttle between their parents' homes. While the palace has made no comment, the clip quickly gained traction, reigniting long-standing rumors about the state of the royal marriage. This wasn't the first time body language between the couple sparked intense scrutiny. Back in November 2025, photographers captured a candid moment of Kate and William seated together in a car ahead of the Royal Variety performance at London's Royal Albert Hall. Kate stared forward with what many described as visible frustration, while William looked downward, avoiding eye contact. The image exploded across X, with users dissecting every expression. Some claimed it showed emotional distance, while others argued it was a fleeting, overanalyzed moment. Still, the photo became another piece of the growing puzzle that royal watchers say points to trouble behind palace doors. With no official statements addressing the rumors, every appearance, accessory, and absence now feels magnified. From skipped rings to viral clips and unsmiling moments, Kate and William's marriage continues to be dissected in real time, whether fairly or not. For now, the palace remains silent, but in the court of public opinion, silence often speaks loudest. And as history has shown, when royal optics shift, speculation is never far behind.